Hello guys, in this video we are going to see a few things about scope and flow control. So let's get started. I think we are familiar with this that holds multiple statements is called as a code block. Each function is associated with a block of code, right? Looks familiar, isn't it? You see, our main function has a block of code here, which includes a return statement and some statements that we can add so that the function executes. So let's look at the flow control. Here we declared a, right? It is a global variable. We'll look at it in the upcoming videos in detail. So let's restrict ourselves that a global variable is a variable which is accessible everywhere. So here we have functions, the main function. This is where our program starts executing, and we have the built-in functions that are provided by the library like printf, scanf and so on. So how the program execution works is it starts from the main function. It executes line by line. It encountered a function call. It goes there. If any arguments are passed, it retrieves it and process the information, and here you will go line by line. Once everything is done, you return back to the same point. Yeah, this function call is done. And we go to the next line and next line and next line and so on. Finally, when we encounter a return statement, our program execution stops. Now we are going to see about scope. Let's suppose we have declared a global variable int a. This variable is accessible in the entire file, that is in all the functions, that is in main function and as well as in Kishore function. You see, this entire code is written in a block format like this. We have a global variable. This variable can be accessed within the block anywhere. So the main function can access it as well as Kishore function can also access it. And now let's suppose I have a variable int b here. Can I access it here without passing any arguments? No, right? Where b is defined? It is defined here. So it is local to the block in which it is defined. So b can only be accessed in the main function. It cannot be accessed from the Kishore function. And similarly, let's say we have defined a variable int c equal to 8. Can we access c in main function? No, you can't access it. But you can have a is equal to 5 because a is local to this and anything can access this a because they are part of this block. Similarly, this also can access a because it is also part of the block. Now let's suppose I have another block. Let's suppose I have int a here again. Now we have two chances. Which will be updated? This or this. So let's again see. We are assigning 5 to a. Where does a belong? We can clearly see. First of all, it will check in this block. Is it present? Yes. So this will be updated. Let's suppose it is missing, then this a will be updated. Similarly, let's suppose we have another block here like this, and I have defined int a, and also again I have defined int a. I will say a is equal to 5. Here a is equal to 8. So we have another block here. We assigned a equal to 8 and we have int a here. A is equal to 5. So we have another block. So now which a will be updated? This a or which a? So first of all, we will look in this block. Is a available? Yes. So this will be updated. So let's assume it is not present. Then which a will be updated? This a or this a? It will check in this block first. There is no a available. Next, it will check in the outer block. Is any a available? So this will be updated. So one thing I am stressing again and again is a variable can only be accessed in the block within which it was created. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.